So this Google team is like angels in disguise who have really solved most of my problems in a very innovative way, in a very interactive way. YouTube player, that is the playlist application, was really a very useful concept which was being explained. But this is excellent where we can store them in our own playlist and we can show it to the students whenever it is necessary. But when we have access to internet, we can have all the latest contents. So what is happening right now, recently uploaded, everything we can get it on the net. So right now we are having nearly 250 plus students and teachers around 30 with a ratio of 10:1. It's no use having many students and not training them well, because money is secondary, but whatever work we are doing, we have to be satisfied with our work. Because the children of today are the leaders of tomorrow. Paper and pen is not the only way of testing a child's performance. The overall development of a child, so that he'll grow socially, morally, ethically, a well-developed citizen of India. He'll have a good reputation in the society. Will be able to earn his livelihood in a decent manner.
My name is Sushila Kalivani, Principal of RMS Vidyaniketan. If teachers are not taking keen interest of teaching technologically, the effective teaching, then there will be no use. If you don't know to operate the computer or technology, it is, even though if we are MSc graduate, double degree graduates, it is like illiterate. When we know the computer operating system, internet system, it is like the whole world will be in our hand. Like we acquire the knowledge in such a way that it is lifelong, we can use it.
So this is Andre Indagodi, film marking hotange idu marks and so this is just an example of working on the drive.
All kids are operating. If teachers are not knowing about it, it's a useless thing. Classroom teaching becomes more effective, more interesting, and it creates interest in the children also, and it becomes a very good lesson to the children.
So the idea again is, if I have 10 concepts that are going to come in my test in a month's time or in a week's time, if my teacher can actually put videos of those 10 concepts together and share that channel or that playlist with me, saying that, this is for revision or this is for review.
You are all angel in disguise for me. Very helpful. Because whatever problems I was facing, you are giving me the solution. Thanks a lot.